Ils sortent, elles sortent. Ok? Je sors means I go out. Tu sors, you go out. Il sort, elle sort, nous sortons, vous sortez, ils sortent, elles sortent. Now, because we are going out of something, we use the preposition de. I will say, je sors de la maison. Means, I'm going out of the house. But if you are taking out something like the trash, you can say, tu sors la poubelle. It means you are taking out the trash. It changes, it becomes to take out. Il sort la voiture. Means he is taking out the car. Nous sortons ensemble. Means we are going out together. Vous sortez le matin. Means you go out in the morning. Ils sortent, elles sortent dans la journée. Means they are going out in the day. Okay? So, once more, je sors, tu sors, il sort, elle sort, nous sortons, vous sortez, ils sortent, elles sortent.